Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here today in my shop 2005 Toyota Corolla, and it came for a bunch of services. I did engine oil change and I filmed it for you, and my next step is improving these hazed headlights. As you can see, the plastic became really hazy, especially this one. The camera actually shows it looking a little bit better, I will say, than I see it from here. So I was going to help this owner improve the night visibility, right? The fall and winter is coming, we will be driving more in the dark. So I was going to use my system, the headlight restoration system, on it right now. I don't have a time to film this every single step, but I just want to share the results with you when I will be done. And I already made a bunch of videos about this, right? I always use the same system from 3M. So if you want to see it step by step, how much time it takes, how many steps it includes, you can see it in the different videos on this channel. So I will go ahead and do it, and I just want to show you how much this can be improved on 2005 Toyota Corolla CE. So I'm done using that set which I showed you, but what doesn't come with it is that synthetic wax protectant, right? That should slow down that yellow action, right? So I have designated applicator pad which I keep together right in the plastic bag, and I will just apply that to slow down that process of yellowing. And that last step, that protectant, I just rub it in by the hand. I don't use the power tool anymore. I will let it kind of go when it's dull, right? I'm rubbing it still in, but then I will let it go dull and wipe it off with microfiber. And I did watch my time just for your reference, right? So this is what I achieved after 22 minutes working on one lens. Look at that clarity. The lens will work again. Look at this one, right? How yellow it is. Try to show you every single angle truthfully, so you can have a comparison, and you can decide if you want to ever try to do that, or you will just buy the new headlamps. Of course, everybody has different opinion or their own way to deal with those hazy headlights. But yes, I hope you like this video, you find it informative and maybe inspirational for doing your own. I better get going to finish the other lens. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and be subscribed. I have way more about Toyotas coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.